Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we will proceed to our today's topic, there is one good news for all that we have launched our Salesforce admin training course. This course is for both beginners as well as for the advanced level expert. You can also watch this even if you don't have any knowledge about the Salesforce. We have covered up the 9 plus module with 21 plus hour of HD videos in which we have covered both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. We start up with the introduction to the Salesforce and the CRM essentials. We have also let you know about the Salesforce release cycle with the Salesforce edition and the pricing packages too. We also let you know how you can navigate yourself to Salesforce Lightning to the classic and create a free developer account in Salesforce too. We have covered up all the essential features of the Salesforce Lightning interface. Even we have let you know how you can create a user, manage the user, even you can activate, deactivate and create or reset the password of the user. If we talk about the security, we also let you know about the object level security, field level security, record level security, and also let you know how you can share the things with other Salesforce admins. And if we move ahead, we also let you know about how you can create an app with objects and the tab and with its essential features. We have covered up each and every field that are available in Salesforce with some of its functions and the formula in both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. If we move to the advanced topic of a Salesforce, we have let you know about how you can create a custom buttons to the links to the action pages and the page layouts and the list view. We also let you know about the schema builder to the process builder and the validation rules, so you can also automate the process executions and do the automation things. We also let you know how you can use the reports and dashboard to visualize your data inside in Salesforce easily. If we are dealing up with the bulk of a data, you are dealing up with the millions of a data, we have let you know about the data import wizard tools and the data loader, so you can use it to insert, to delete, to update and to create all the data in a one go. So this course is for the Salesforce admin. Even if you don't have any knowledge, you can go with that course. This is a totally 100% self-paced video module. You can go and watch anywhere when you get a time according to your preference. Even we are letting you go, give the PDF material so you can easily grasp the things at the end. We also give you the certification once you complete that course, and this course is available at the 50% of discount right now with the lifetime access. And one of the most best feature of this course is that we are giving you a one-to-one doubt clear session with interview preparations and the internship opportunity. So now let's move back to our today's topic. So in today's video, we are going to learn about the contains function. So let's firstly understand what does we mean by the contains function in Salesforce. So contain function is one of the text function of a Salesforce. It is used to check whether the text field contains a pass substring or not. In addition to this, this function is a case sensitive, which means it knows the difference between uppercase and lowercase character. So let's proceed and see its syntax. Here syntax is given on your screen, and here you can see that the text field parameters specify the text field for which you want to check the presence of the substring, and the substrings parameters specify the substring that you want to find out within the text field. Now let's proceed and see how you can use this contains function in Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic user interface with the help of examples. So here I open my Salesforce account and I am on a Lightning interface. I click on the gear icon given on the top right side and click on a setup option to redirect myself to the Lightning setup. Once I reach here, on the top of the navigation bar, I will get a object manager as a tab. I click on that and it will list down all the objects that are present in Salesforce. Now it's time to choose the object on which you want to use the contain as a function. So here I am going to use this one on the lead as object. So I search in the quick find box and click on it. Once I click on it, it will take me to the page where I click on the fields and relationship options from the left side, and after that I click on the new button. Once you click on a new, it will let you ask to choose the field type that you want for storing up your information. I choose the formula as a 1 and click on the next button. In the next step, here we are going to use the field label. So I am going to calculating the lead ranking. So here I am typing the field label as a lead ranking and the field name get automatically populated. If now you need to choose the formula return type, I am choosing the number as a return type and set it decimal places to the 0, and by default it's set to the true, and click 2 and click on the next button. Once I click on the next button, it will ask me to enter the formula using the contain function. To enter the function contains, I click on the all function category, choose the text as a 1 and search for the contains. Once I get it down, I click on it and click on the insert selected function, and the contain function get automatically entered on the formula editor. Now I am going to create a formula with the help of this contains function. So here I have entered up the formula. I click on the check syntax button to check whether it is correct or not. So here there is a no syntax error in it. So I will explain you how I am working. Here I am using the multiple if statement that check whether this job title field contain a specific pass substring or not using the contain function. If it contains the lead rating, it will start up with the some cases. Below are the cases that I am going to define you. Here you can see that the cases. Here the lead get 8 ranking. You can see here. Okay, these are the below cases. If the word manager appeared in the job title, if the lead is engineer, it will be awarded as a rating of a 6. If the lead is a developer, it is also awarded as a 6. And if the lead is named as a analyst, it will be rewarded as a 4, and for the rest of the cases it will be rewarded as a 2 as a ranking. If you want to add, you can add the description and help text if you want, otherwise you need to click on the next button to proceed to the next step. In this next step, you need to choose the profile to which you want to grant the edit access of this particular field, and this field will be hidden if you don't give the edit access to the particular profile, and click on the next button. Now here you need to select up the page layout on that you want to include to the particular field to it. So if you will not select the page layout, the field will be not appear, and click on a save button. Once you click on a save button, it successfully created up the lead with a contains function in a Salesforce Lightning. Now let's see how we can use for a Salesforce Classic. So I click on my profile and click on a option of a switch to a Salesforce Classic to redirect myself to the Salesforce Classic interface in Salesforce. So here now I click on the setup option given on the top right side. Once I click it here, it will redirect you to the Salesforce Classic setup. Now you need to scroll down and choose the object on which you want to apply that contains function in Salesforce Classic. I am going to show you the example for here for the account. So here I expand the customize option and choose the standard object name as accounts in it. Here I expand it down also and click on the fields as a option. Once I click on that, it will redirect to the accounts. Now I scroll down myself to the account custom fields and relationship option and click on the new button. Once I click on a new, it will take me to the page where you need to choose the field type that you want to use. Here I am going to choose the formula as a 1 and click on the next button. Now here you need to enter the field label. So here I enter the field label as a territory. So once you click anywhere on the screen, it will automatically populate the field name based upon the field label that you have added. Next thing, you need to choose the formula return type. Here I choose the text as a 1 and click on the next button to proceed to the next step. In this step, you need to create up the formula, and for using creating the formula, I am using the functions, and for selecting up the function, I click on the all function category, select the text as a category and choose the contain as a function and click on the insert selected function. Now let's add the formula here and then I will explain you. So here I create up the formula. I click on the check syntax button to check that whether there is any error or not. So there is a no error. I will explain you what I have done in this. Here I am using the multiple if statement that check that the billing state field contains a specific pass substring or not using the contain function. If it is contained, we set the territory according to it. Here I have set multiple cases, like if the billing state contains the California and other states, it will set as the west territory, and we have also set it to the east territory, and if none of the case is followed up, it will set it to the other territory. Now I click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Here we need to choose up the profile to which you want to grant the edit access of the field. If you don't select any profile, it will not grant them the edit access. So So now click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Here you need to choose up the page layout on which you want to include that particular field. Here we have a multiple page layout that are already selected. If you don't select any page layout, the field will not appear on that. So here I have successfully created up the things. Now I click on a save button to successfully save it. Once you click on a save, it successfully save all the things. Now to check whether it is working correctly or not, I open the count subject from the top of the navigation bar, and I am just opening one of the random account that I have created to let you know how it is working on. So for this, here I am going to enter the billing address for it firstly, because it is working on that. And here I am adding the billing address to the billing country. I am putting as a USA and click on a OK. So let's see how it is working on. So once I click on a save, you can see that it will gives you the answer. Okay, it gives a error for the already existing a duplicate account, so we have to change the account name. So here I change it down and click on a save, and once I click on a save, you can see that it will give you the result of the other territory. Why it is giving the result of the other territory? Because we are doing up the things on the billing state. Okay, let's just edit it down again. So we have to put up the state here. So I am entering the state as New York. So let's enter here and click on a OK as a button. And after that I click on a save button, and once I click on a save, you can see that it again giving me the error because of the validation rule. So we have to change the account name again. I click on a save button, and once I click on a save button, it gives me the territory as a East territory. So with this, we have successfully learned how to use the contains function in Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic user interface. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.